There is an emerging conflict tonight between the people who want to keep this country safe and the engineers who have developed the machines to do that. National security correspondent Jennifer Griffin tells us some of them no longer want to participate.
The U.S. military is developing a fleet of drones known as gremlins to swarm the battlefield. It's working on robotic tanks, submarine drones, and ships that can deploy for months without any humans on board. Now, after teaming up with Silicon Valley, it's facing a rebellion from high-tech civilian engineers who don't want their expertise used to develop artificial intelligence that could be used to kill.
The technology is going to take us right up to the point where it will be possible to take humans out of the kill chain.
A dozen Google employees quit this week after more than 3,000 signed a petition demanding the high-tech giant not partner with the Pentagon on Project Maven, a DoD program allowing computers to replace humans to wade through hours of drone video. Quote, "We believe that Google should not be in the business of war. Therefore, we ask that Project Maven be canceled and that Google draft, publicize, and enforce a clear policy stating that neither Google nor its contractors will ever build warfare technology."
The Pentagon is collecting so much data off of drones, they can't possibly put enough people on these video feeds to actually watch them all.
Paul Shari, author of Army of None, worked at the Pentagon from 2008 to 2013. He explains the culture gap between Silicon Valley and the Defense Department.
What happens when a Predator drone has as much autonomy as a self-driving car? And how much autonomy are we willing to cede to machines when we're talking about life and death decisions?
The Pentagon says human beings will still select the targets, but with an artificial intelligence arms race already underway, the U.S. military fears being left behind. China has ordered its technology giants to help it advance on the battlefield. Russia is developing fleets of armed robots and has deployed robotic tanks to Syria.
Google's Eric Schmidt sits on the Pentagon's Defense Innovation Board, and Google says Project Maven is for, quote, non-offensive purposes, but the company may still need to convince their engineers. Brett?
Jennifer Griffin at the Pentagon. Jennifer, thank you.